Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to change folder color on your computer or PC. So let's see. But before we dive into this tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is to come to your browser. Then you have to come to the search engine right here. What you need to do is to simply type in folder Rico and press enter on your keyboard. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on the first result right here, folderico.com. Click on that and it takes you right here. Then you'll be taken to the official web page of this Folderico. So Folderico folder color and icon changer software. So you can scroll down and see some of the stuff about the app right here. You can scroll down and see how you can actually use it. Now, this app right here, you can download it for Mac or for Windows. Now, if you want to get a download of the app, what you need to do is to simply click on download button right here, and it will take you right here. Now, we have, if you are using Windows, make sure you click on Windows. If you are using Mac, click on Mac. So for me, in this tutorial, I'm using Windows. You can also scroll down and read detail about the compatibility support of the file. So scroll down and read all details and then go ahead and click on the right one for your PC. So I'm clicking on Window right here. So download from Window. And in a few seconds, the application folder is going to pop up. Then what I need to do is to click on save. And in a few seconds, everything is going to successfully download into my PC. So after a successful download the app, what we need to do is to exit from the browser. And then we have to head over to our download folder. So right here, this is my download folder. Then I have it right here. So this is the app. So what we need to do is to simply click on the app, press enter key on our keyboard to run the setup. Then right here, we click on next. And we click on next. And we click on install. So just like so, setup has finished installing. You can simply uncheck the launch the folder, then come down below right here and make sure you click on finished. All right, so after a successful install the setup, let's see how we can simply make use of the app to change the folder color on our Windows PC. Now, for instance, I'm going to simply create a new folder. So what I will do here is to right click and I will simply go to new, then I will go to folder. Then I'm going to call this one test folder. I'm going to press enter key on my keyboard. So I will simply drag some of the file into the folder, just like so. Now we want to change this particular folder color. So what we need to do is to right click on the folder. Then we have to simply navigate to change folder icon. Now you have different color right here, such as red, green, blue, orange, hazel, pink. So I'm going to choose red. Now, having choose color red, you have it this way. Now, if you want it to be full of the folder, next thing you need to do is to click on the folder again, and then make sure you right click on it, and then go back to change folder icon. Then come down below right here and make sure you go to more icons. They take you right here. So from this option here, you can choose different types of folder color right here. So I'm going to simply click on this particular one right here. Having clicked on red, then I'm going to simply hit on apply. And in a few seconds, you can see it has been fully applied. If you want to change the folder color, you want to change to something like black, select on the folder color, click on apply, and it will take effect into the folder. Select on back to the red and click on apply. It takes it back to the folder. Once you're done, simply come to the top right there and click on close tab. It's as simple as that. So you can see your folder color has been fully changed without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.